A Dekiboo channel, forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I'ma make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it, so Dekiboo can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high, till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
So this is about, I'm gonna put on the week Friday, and a Friday now, a Thursday, because Friday they have the pixie game at work. So Thursday night. So you just say Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, today at Tuesday. This is 5 days after installing my Annabelle wig by myself, and honestly, it unbugged me. I can't bother with something here every minute. It just unbugging. So yesterday I did kind of lift off the wig. So we're gonna take it off today, and maybe I'll install another wig. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Because really, actually, I really don't want to wear ballet at work. I don't know if I install one next week. But the wig that I want to install, I really wanted to go to an hairdresser. But when we hear the prices for like install a wig, $4,000, $5,000, guys, that's a lot of money. That could have been me some food, some nice. That could have been my coffee, my French vanilla creamer. That could have been me whipped cream. That could have been me, all these things. So guys, what? I'm not talking to myself. Anyways, me tell him say like, well,
they say you're looking at yourself and make yourself looking at you. You know them.
For install one wig, I tell him say it's so expensive. So if you tell you do it yourself,
That's why I don't wear wig. See? I don't wear wig. Coming up in the month. We can't buy one wig for you.
How much cost?
So 120 grand. I make a pay 50,000 for install it. That's too much money for the light bill and water money in a one.
Guys, the glue. Jesus! Me use too much glue. What glue name what we use again? Good grip.
I'm a super glue.
Good grip. No!
You think you're going to say gorilla.
Really and truly.
Yeah, because I know you're part of the magic clan.
Why? Hey, mama, the inside gone. What's
and that's you. I tell me. Truly, if you put on my head. That, you kept on my little earline. Look how me not even have no ear, and my ear are loose. You go put on that. You must say what I'm shy.
Guys, oh my god. Oh no, them say normally you rub look good. Oh what? Shampoo I can normally me just pull it off and it come out, but that glue you come like it bad. Oh, them say free rub again. Conditioner.
Put a nice ear card.
Show them. Guys, she had turned me. Look at this. Is that cute? May I get there?
Yes, daddy.
Where conditioner? You have no conditioner today?
Your conditioner?
Yeah.
She can sit in the bathroom and in the side to keep up on the veranda. No, that.
Look cool. At the front. Oh. Oh my god. Normally just come out.
I don't know if I'll leave him leave work later or what. You say fine this up.
Oh my god. Guys. What the hell? A good grip glue, yeah? Deep grip. What's that? Help me. Watch out. I'm ear that it. Oh, tear what it is. Shit. Why did I do this to myself? I always do some shit. Jesus. It touched my ear. Alright. Watch out. Oh shit. Oh my god, come here. What's up, Mia? Going to the wiggy top. Watch out. What's up? What kind of see this? You don't know that to me, so. I'm free. Oh my god. Watch out. I'm stuck yesterday, guys. I forgot to try. Take it off. I think for this week, maybe I just wear my ball in. Yeah, as this not gonna work for me. So I'm gonna watch my ear out here. So. I wish I could go back to the day before we met, where I found my regret. I also use this now, Pandy cap itself, if y'all remember. So I'm gonna rinse out this now out of door. My hair don't look bad, don't the real natural hair, I mean. So now it's time to wash my hair. I'm just rinsing out the conditioner because that's what I put in first out of my hair front. Yeah, I'm focusing on the front because you know the glue is stuck up there, and when I tell you guys, it hurts like hell combing it out, man. I don't know why we females have to do these things to ourselves. They say beauty comes with pain, but God no, I can't take the pain. Look at the glue, guys. I'm my ear coming out. God no. So right now I'm just using my neutralizing shampoo because I don't have the regular shampoo. Your girl haven't gone to the beauty store in a while, and that's what I got, so I gotta use it. I really like using the neutralizing shampoo and conditioner because it does something to my hair. You know, it can get out all those debris and maybe the glue. It can help with that because like people use it when they're relaxing their hair, so why not try it, you know? Yeah, and I'm combing it out because just because you have short hair don't mean say you must not comb it out. You have to comb out that hair, especially if you have coarse hair like me. You will need to comb it out frequently. I'm gonna go ahead and use my normalizing rings, which is non-oily stabilizing formula, and it restores hair to normal pH and control hair porosity. What I'm here? You don't see curls them. Through their tongue. What you do? You see them? Curls. Yeah, you see them. You don't see the curls? No, you're blind. See me.
Rolling. But the curls still.
No, I see in the mirror.
Hold on, let me see if I clean the mirror.
No, true, their top ones.
Look again. Look again. Well, look
Guys,
again.
you don't see the curls?
Let me turn on the light, people.
Talk
Tell
true.
us. Go to that light. Cause in that light, we still can't see the curls. Where curly?
Philadelphia.
Oh, me have some curls. Activate that you want it, naturally.
See them here.
You want it? Those are roll. You know, rolly.
I see them. You guys see the Coolina. Oh, I'm here.
Me try to say we can dash a little some curls in it for you. Both curls. Woman ever look curl.
She blind. Look cutie. It's a vibe. Oh. I'm gonna wash this out now. It has been about 2 minutes. Yeah. About that. What is this? The blue? No! I don't know wash it again. It August day. The blue in there? Can't bother. Now it's time to revive this corruption. About 2 hours since I watched me here and it's like I went to make some breakfast, I ate and I had lunch. I'm here. But now I'm using Joli Faire organic hair growth oil. That's what I've been using since a couple of months or since my back at my head. But I've been here and me. I could be in my hand, rub it up so. Yes, so this is how the ear looks so far. Over a month now I cut it. And it's growing back. This is a wig band. May I use sun wash wig? Don't tell nobody. May I use secret? deposit for it. Just watched a video and it says that vinegar can remove the glue from the lace wig, so let's try it. I'm gonna use regular white vinegar. I saw them using apple cider, but we don't have none at the moment, so you know, gonna try this and see. Maybe if I make it stay on it for a while, and then let me see. I've already put this shampoo on it, so let's see how this goes. Oh, I think that's too much.
Dekiboo, channel forget your view. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you're for leaving, so Dekiboo can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer.
I am so into wigs, like I love wigs, guys. Right now I'm not gonna wear my bonnet to work. I'm going to install another wig, so guys, just stay tuned to that video. Yeah, that's the next video after this one that I post. Y'all gonna see me install a wig. I'm not gonna tell y'all what kind of wig it is until that video, so make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will never miss a post, and go over that video whenever it drops. I will drop this Friday, then the other video next Friday, so stay tuned for that.